Your movement impacts your mind. Your body impacts your brain. When you are on a long road trip for the holidays, how are you going to arrive excited and enthusiastic to see your friends and family when you've not been moving and your body is tired? One of my private mentoring clients inspired this video because that was exactly the question that she asked me. She's going to be on an almost 13-hour road trip, not including breaks. And she said, I don't want to arrive exhausted. How do I move? How do I eat so that I arrive excited? Welcome, I'm Sheri Traxler with Nourish Your Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. 3 tips so that you arrive to your destination excited, not exhausted. Tip number 1, get a good backrest. Back support is really important because of these headrests that don't make for very good posture when you're driving or riding in a car. Back supports come in many varieties. This is my favorite because it not only supports the back, it also will stretch the muscles a little bit. I can't pronounce the type of method, but it's a type of therapy method. Remember the numbers 66. For every 60 minutes of sitting, you want to move for 6 minutes. Now, that might be easier to do when you can stop and go for a walk, but on a road trip, you're probably not going to stop every hour. So, how do we exercise in the car? Little caveat here. Number 1, if you've got a joint issue that makes it sore or difficult to do one of these exercises, skip it. And some of these are appropriate for the passenger only. Some of the exercises you might not want to do while you're driving. 49, 50. Shoulder blade squeezes. Something so simple, but it works. Hands up, elbows down, squeeze those shoulder blades together and release. Remember to breathe 50 times. Number 2, toe lifts. 50, and remember to breathe. Third exercise, butt squeezes. Really self-explanatory. Squeeze your butt cheeks together and release. Squeeze and release. Remember to breathe. Next exercise. A physical therapist friend of mine calls this exercise the zipper. Pretend you're putting on a pair of jeans that's a little too tight and you're squeezing your belly in to zip them up. Belly button to the spine, release. Squeeze the belly button to the spine, release. Again, remember to breathe. 50 of each of those. Heel lifts, number 5. 50 of these. And of course, guess what? Remember to breathe. Share this video with someone who's going to be traveling this holiday season and needs to arrive with energy and enthusiastic, not exhausted. The last exercise, either a stress ball or a hand grip, squeeze 50 times on each arm. Before I give you my final tip, remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. Next video, we're going to be talking about eating for a road trip so that you arrive excited and enthused to see your friends and family, not exhausted and wanting to be a hermit. Here's my final tip. This idea of every 60 minutes moving for 6 minutes does mean that you can get up and walk around, but when you are not on a road trip, and you are on a Zoom meeting and you can't get up and move, when you are sitting at work and you can't get up and move, these same exercises you can do seated all during the year. You don't have to wait for a road trip to get in the habit of doing the shoulder blade squeezes and doing the zipper and all of this type of movement that's going to keep you enthused and excited throughout your day as well. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks again for subscribing. Until next time, as always, find your path and fulfill your unique potential.